All right. Well, okay, here we go. Now we're live on YouTube. I don't know why I always have to do that, but that's okay. Um, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. What can we do? So we'll leave that there like so, and we'll get some of these things rolling. Um, let's see, where is do the next one? All right, hopefully you guys can hear that. If you cannot, let me know. Now I'll raise the volume, just a little ambient music. But I was yesterday grabbed a build from Cassidy, and we're looking to see what sort of UI elements we have. We do have a little bit in here, so let me share. Let me pop in the secondary so you guys can see. So this is the flow. We have a good chunk of it. These are just some other elements. But we were talking about, well, what is the best way to what is the best way to do a team selection in this type of game, right? So if you have any opinions, go ahead and put them on the chat, and we'll go ahead. I'll be more than happy to read them and see what shakes. But I'll put this here, and let's see what we got. We'll put this over here. I keep getting my videos blocked because of the music. Not ideal, but that's okay. But anyways, like I was saying, I was working on some buttons and some UI elements to make sure that it looked good, so you guys can see here. Actually, let's do this. I'm going to go ahead and close this and then move me to the bottom right. Here we go. So this is how it currently is, and then I'm working to make it either. I think this is the design that I'm gonna go with. Maybe a little bit less elaborate, where you can go ahead and like the team information is gonna be here. I know that we have these averages that we can hold on, this music is starting out. We have some averages in here for how the team is doing in their career for the season, so it gives you some ideas here. But yeah, team selection is kind of what we're going to work on today. We're going to replace a lot of the buttons because some of the buttons are in the old style. So we're going to go ahead and change the buttons. And then from there, we will then kind of figure out what is this is the old team selection. Actually, that gets deleted. This was just me messing around. It's kind of like when the match starts and all that. And this is just some placeholders. This is all placeholder stuff to kind of trying to get the vibe of the game. But this is what it's supposed to look like now. We're going to go ahead and start with this intro dialogue and make sure that it looks like this. We'll add some particles and we'll just get that going there. So if you want to follow the development of the Quidditch Manager, go ahead and hit follow here on Twitch. Go ahead and hit follow on Twitch. I don't know. Go ahead and hit follow on Twitch. Go ahead and hit follow on YouTube. Go ahead and hit follow and everything else. This is, let's go back to the other screen real quick. Okay, so this is what we have right now in Engine. I'm going to look at the some stuff in our art folder. It's not correct. So this is our sprite sheet. Let me look at this really quick. I brought this in, but it's 100% wrong. So what I'm going to do, let's create, let's do this. Let me export the new buttons, right? So I'm gonna, and I don't do it the best way. I'm still learning what is the best way, just so you guys know. I'm going to go ahead and let's see how we're gonna do this. I'm going to go into the, let's just go on downloads here and say Quidditch Manager you guys can see the button. I'm gonna take this button that has two states. Essentially, it's just a hover state, or in a it doesn't have a click state yet, but I'll work on that later. As this is just an idle state and a hover state. So when you're looking at the prototype, which we can look here, you can just, you know, it just hovers like that. But now we just need to move that to the engine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to export these two layers in here, and I am going to throw that. I made a new folder called HPQA. We'll throw that in there because I want to replace the buttons different than what we have now. The ones that we have now were kind of like the version 1 buttons that we did, but that was just they're not my favorite, so that's why we're redoing them. And then I'm gonna export these two decoration because they're repeated, right? The bottom and the top and the bottom are the same, and the left and the right are the same. So let's just export those. So we'll put that on the same folder. Let's see, what else do we need? Everything else should be already in there. It's a matter of making sure that it aligns. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna export this. We'll call it title mock. So we can save that in, and then we'll overlay it on top of, in the engine, we'll overlay on the top, and then we just move the elements to make sure that they match. And then these logos and that stuff, we'll leave that later. Then these buttons are already going to be implemented in, so we don't really have to do that. And then the rest is kind of the same, just buttons and the decoration until we get, we'll move that there, until we get kind of here, where we're going to start doing the team selection screen, which is right here. This is what it looks like today, and I'm proposing to change it like this, and then it's gonna scroll. Maybe there should be like a way for you, because there's I believe Cassidy told me there were gonna be like 20 teams or something like that. So, you know, maybe we put like a tab so you can select the region. I don't know 100% how we're gonna do. Real quick, let me go ahead and let's show you the to-do of what we got going on. Freaking, there you go. This is our to-do list that we have been using as of lately, but let's go ahead and there's a task here called the add a slide out to the to-do, which we just did. So we'll go ahead and get it. We'll mark it as done. Boing. That's gone. Okay, let's see what else we got. Fix the YouTube. That's definitely still wrong. Add a secondary monitor to the scene. We already did that. Look into shoutouts. We'll do that later. Look into spreadsheets. We'll do that later. All right, we'll add a new thing and we'll say change the UI for the HPQA. We'll add that and that gets added to the bottom. If you don't know what I'm doing here with the to-do list, we do have a video on the VOD that talks about us making this to-do list that you can see here. And I am going to have it on the page, and I'm going to have it available for the public to use it if they want to. So anyone that wants to use something like this in their stream is going to be available for free. But yeah, change the UI for the HPQA. We'll go ahead and get that started, and that's going to be running there. That's going to count how long it takes us to do this. Not that we're going to do it fast, but I just feel like it will help. So if you think of anything that we should change, or you have any immediate feedback for the people that are here watching, you know, put it in the chat. Maybe I can whip out something quick and implement it. So but for now, we're gonna go ahead and do this team. Let's go ahead first and update the title screen to this, the next page simulation here. I don't know exactly what we're gonna put here, but I was thinking maybe we do like, because it has 2 modes. So then if you, because mainly the way that we're running this little simulation right now is mainly like on web. So maybe it could be like there's a hover effect, right? So maybe the image changes while you have it hover to if you wanna run a simulation game, or if you wanna run a simulation match, or if you wanna run a like some type of management thing, which is still not in develop. We still gotta cook that a little longer before we can show it on stream, but we'll work on that. But the idea is like in here it'll be an image. We'll put something like here, and then of course in here we'll put like a title, which we have a little box here for the title. So we just grab this one. So just so that we can have all the elements in place, and we can get some of the sizing. So we'll have this here like so. This is just an image. I don't know exactly what it'll be, but we'll work on it. We'll push the buttons a little bit up and add some space. I saw that there were 18 between them, so let's push that 10 pixels down. Let's see. So we got some of this low fidelity stuff kind of ready to go. So that's good. Let's see. So they will click start. Alright, sorry about that. Settings is just eventually gonna take you to toggle your settings screen, like your sound, like the volume of your sound, and maybe we implement accounts so you can update your account. I don't know 100%. I gotta talk with Cassidy and see how we manage that. But let's see. Let me make sure we have everything we need. Well, the one thing we kind of don't have right now would be this. So we'll throw that in there. The other thing, oh, hold on. So I exported. We only need one button. I don't know. Oh no, because one is a hover state. Hold on. Let me do this real quick. Because we're here and it exported with the text, and we'll put the text in Unity. So let's export it again, and then we'll replace the files over there so that it doesn't have the buttons, the text. So we're good there. Let's see. You click start. That's gonna have this. You can click on simulation, which should be at the top. Here you go. We'll put this like so, and then this like so. Anyways, something like this. It's not perfect, but you click here, it comes here. You click here, it goes there. Okay, so we need buttons, which we have. The background we have, the decoration we have. The text doesn't really matter at this point. And then we have these boxes for team info, and we might be able to get a little bit further today, but we'll see. Let's see. Then over here is running the simulation. I got some ideas for when it's running the team simulation and who's winning and who's losing and all that. So we have some ideas like when there's a score, maybe there's some big animations and a bunch of stuff. All right. I think that's all the elements that we need. And normally I would have liked to open, let's go here to the left, and we have this texture sheet. It already has most of the elements. I think we can fit some of the other elements in here, like the buttons, for example. So let's go ahead and open this here, and let's see this. We do have, I don't know if Texture Packer is working. We had a trial of Texture Packer. But let me try something here. I don't mind buying it, but I don't think, please enable, yeah. Sure, I'll get the Pro here in a second. Please add Texture Pack and import it into your Unity. What? I feel like I did that. Didn't I do that? Give me 1 second here. Let me look into adding this. If you have used Texture Packer in the past, and you have any good tips, please let me know. Because I know that we use it at work from the art team, but I'm not on the art team. I'm a designer. So, or if you're from the art team and want to let me know how it works, that'll be pretty good. But yeah, I get the idea, right? Because then when you're doing like, I guess when you're theming stuff, you can just update that texture sheet and then everything should fall in place and kind of fit. But I don't 100% understand it. It is 8:59 here in Iowa, where I am. The elections are today, so if you are from America and you're keeping track of that, then let me know how that goes. Because I mean, I don't fully keep track of it, but you know, some people do. My wife is for sure keeping me posted. But yeah, I'm importing Texture Packer in here. I think I am, at least. Again, I don't know 100% what I'm doing here. For those of you who are new on the channel, my name is Adrian. I am a product designer, but I mainly work on Figma, right? So I got here into this project with Cassidy. I'll link Cassidy's information in here so you can go and see more of the work that Cassidy's doing. But I joined this project to kind of get more exposure to like building that UI and UX in Engine, and I want to learn more about how that's done, you know. And Cassidy has this Quidditch Manager Simulation that Cassidy was working on, and I just like, hey, let me help you with the UI UX, and here we are. So I'm just saying that so that everyone knows that I am not a professional I guess UI developer, UI artist. I don't really know exactly what it is because I did make all the UI, but I guess I never put it in Engine is what I'm trying to say. A technical artist, I guess is what we would have called it in our company. So I'm trying to get better, learn more about, you know, how to be a technical artist. I don't want to be a technical artist, and you know, by discipline. I don't want to work as a technical artist, but I do want to have the ability of a technical artist. I do want to know the skills, right? So. Alright, so we got that thing in, but then I don't know what else to do with it. So I don't know. Let's go ahead and hide that to-do list real quick because we know what we're working on. We're changing on the UI. There you go. Alright. So we got the Texture Packer. If I want to continue to use Texture Packer, I will have to buy it. I don't know 100%. I mean, I can buy it. It's no big deal. Let me look into this. Let me look into this real quick. Yep. Also, Texture Packer has a pack here called discount called Indie Discount, and this is kind of the price for it. I will probably do lifetime license, and then this is just texture packer thing. What is this? Physics editor? Sprite eliminator? I have no idea what none of this is. 2D game dip bundle. Texture packer. Okay, let's look at this really quick. Let me look at Sprite eliminator. Is that what it says, right? Sprite eliminator creates stunning light effects with a 2D sprite in your game engine. I don't. Is this hard to do? Anyone knows? Anyone that's watching knows that if this is hard to do? Because I mean, why else? I don't fully understand why this product exists. Okay. Oh, let me do this real quick. Let me go ahead and post this on X. I don't think we're gonna need that. What's the other one? Physics editor. Edit your collision and shapes for Box 2D Chipmunk Ninja P2 Arcade. Works with any game engine, including. I don't also know why we need this, because don't you get this? I mean, you can do collision in Unity. I don't. Maybe for something else that is not for Unity. I don't know. I think right now the only thing we need is texture packer. Let me put here. Let me put this here. Alright, here we go. Just posted that there. Okay. We don't need that. So let's just go back. We don't need none of this. All we really need is just this. And we might not even need it. I might be able just to do like the texture sheet somewhere else. But I mean, they use it at work. So I'm going to use it here as well, just so that I can get the practice. So let me do real quick here. Let me get this software. Yep. Oh, sorry. And let's do this. And let's do this. Let's bring in Notion real quick. The game design template, the game design document template, and the feature spec document template they're almost ready. I do want to show it to a couple friends that are game designers and UX designers to make sure that I wasn't missing anything that should be as part of the, like, for an indie developer, like, is there anything else that they will kind of need? So, but those are almost ready to be added into the website. Let me see, your bank. Okay, let me check. One back. Let's do this. Yep. Sorry, I'm paying for texture packer right now, and that's why I'm being a little bit quiet. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Oh, sorry, that's not what I want. I will leave it. Fine. Let's see. We'll go ahead and add a. I need to add an expand here real quick. Man, this thing is not working, huh? So the song that you are hearing in the background is actually a Sonos song. Suno song. Because my videos kept getting demonetized when the song clearly said that it was supposed to be like royalty free and I was able to use the song, but you know, it is what it is. Let me try one more thing real quick. Sorry about the delay, everyone. I am almost done and we'll get the ball rolling. It's so whack. Anyways, do you make this purchase? Yes, it was me. Let's try it again. Yep. Let me add this expense real quick so that I don't forget. We'll put this in the general and Yerp. That should be good there. We should be good here. Ah, Alright. Let's see what we got here. Let's go ahead and pixelate this really quick while I input the information. It was 59.49. 59.49. 59.49. One time, and then I'll just say this was a tool today. There you go. All right, that's ready. Let's get this. We should be pixelated. Yep, we are. Let's enter this license real quick. And let's unpixelate. Boom, we're back at it. Okay, so we already did this. Actually, let me load this documentation here because I wanted to see what does it mean. So this is what you get: increased performance through optimized sprite meshes, easy sprite management, one-click export, no additional runtime code, fully automated slicing of sprites, reduce draw calls and save you a lot of time. Sure. Give me one quick second.
of this.
All right. Sorry about that. I know that we had some people come and go. That's on me. I apologize. Well, really, it's not on me. It's on my wife. But hey, we're not gonna blame her. We're not gonna blame her. We're just gonna keep going. So, um, we got this. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Well, I don't know exactly why the camera's not working. Which, let's see, camera, webcam, this one. Brio. All right, we're back here. I don't know why is having issues, but at least we're back. Hopefully everything is working again. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. I'll figure it out later. So we're back here. We moved the file. Everything seems fine. We have the texture packer where I want to add some sprites to it. So let's look into that. Actually, I put it on downloads, and I want to bring these. I don't know if these two are going to be able to, and I don't know if this one is going to be able to. So right now, actually, yeah, let's just bring the one button, the default. I don't think we can fit these. Well, let's do this. Let's just bring the one button first. And sure, you could go there if that's what you want. And we'll jump on this side real quick. Because there's, like I said, we're going to grab this one and we're going to grab this one and we're going to grab this one. Excuse me, sorry. I don't know why I got hiccups. We're going to post this here. And one thing we're going to do right now is, the thing is, like, if I put all of this in vector, it's going to make everything the same. It's going to make everything the same line weight, and I don't want that. So let me see if it lets me grab all of these, which are vector elements. Yeah, it's not going to let me. And if I move it this way, yeah, it's gonna do that. There has to be a way that I can move it without. Well, one thing that I can also do, because it's the same thing. How do I go about splitting this? What I'm gonna do this one in particular, I'm going to copy as a PNG and I'm gonna put it here. And then I'm actually just gonna split it like this right here. I don't know, something like that. And maybe I can do a 9 slice that then I don't know 100%, but let's give it a try. And then on this one, which has the sides, the good thing about this one is I can probably just bring these in a little bit. Right, because then I'll have a slice here, so I gotta bring this out a little bit, and then a slice there, and that might get me out pretty far. So let's go ahead and resave these two, and we'll replace what we have in there, and then we'll go to the other side. Let me look and make sure that if there's anything on the chat. Things seems to be working. Let me pin this here at the bottom, and then we'll leave that. We'll leave that at the top there, and let's see what's going on with the. Let's do repeat. Let's do play. All right. So let's see. Now we got this. We brought the button, but even the button. So when we're looking at the button itself, here, let's do this because this is all bad. Really, it does kind of suck. So let's grab a button, right? And then we'll paste it out here. We'll take out the text. I'm not even showing the right screen. We'll take out the text and we should be able to, let's detach this component real quick, and that will give us that. We'll grab all these corners and we'll move them in kind of like that, because then we can do a 9 slice on that maybe, and then that works like that. That works there, and then we'll do the same thing with this. We'll grab these 3 corners and then we'll put them in here. Something like that, right? So now we made the button like small. We'll call it button main, and then we'll fix the size. There you go. So now we got these 3 elements, and then let's see what else we got. We're gonna need all of this, so we'll grab all of these really quick. We'll paste them here. I should have kept the. Oh wait, I did keep them. Hold on. I got them down here, which is what eventually went into the sprite sheet, right? So like all of these elements here. So we'll bring all of that. We only need 1 wing. We'll bring that in, and I'm gonna do a new wing here and soon. We're gonna do 1 wing here soon. A new one. We're gonna do a new wing because that one is bad. So we don't need none of these because we just changed the buttons. We do need that. So this is a fairly small sprite sheet, which is good. We might be able to put in the active state of the button. The thing with the active state is I'm actually just gonna copy this one, right? So that it could be the same size. And we'll say that this one is the active. I can't spell. That's the active. And then we'll say that this is the hover. And what we're gonna do is we're going to get the hover effect. Let's see, what's the best way to do it, right? Because you'll think, oh yeah, well you just add a shadow. We can add a shadow that is at 100, and it has a fairly big spread. But then it's not in the right position. But that might be the way to go. Let me look at this real quick. I wish you could name these. Maybe in the future, Figma is gonna let us name them, but for now it doesn't, which is whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down a bit. See, that's too much. But well, let's do this. Let's bring this to the bottom. And then maybe now we can do something like that. There we go. I don't know. Maybe something like that. I don't know. But we will say that that is it. And now we have all of these. Let me think. So we got a second wing. We have, because that's what we have here. We got the little ball, the text treatment, the topper. We got that. We got. Yeah, I think that's good for right now. We'll grab them all. We'll go ahead and export these into that folder there. Some of them already exist, so we're gonna go ahead and replace them. So they should be on the folder. We'll go ahead and bring those into Texture Packer. We'll put this here for now, but what we want to do is we might have to delete that one. Let's delete that one. We'll delete. The thing is with these buttons is that it's the big version. So I wonder why did it not do these two? Let's bring those in. Okay, there you go. We got the two. You guys can't see, but these are the two. These are the big ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete the big ones. Now I'm gonna grab everything except the mock. Let me make sure. Yep. And then I'm going. Oh no, this is the big one too. And then give me the small one. So let's export the small one. Let's go ahead and move this. We're gonna hear this song a lot in the game, so. Alright, so now it did bring them all. We're gonna call this one decoration sides, because this is gonna be on the left and right side. We're gonna call this one decoration top bottom, and something like that. Right wing topper. This rectangle is the container where the button lives on. So I'm gonna, if you go back to the design, let me pop that second screen real quick. If you go back to the design, it will be this button right here. Right, this is this rectangle 54, which we're gonna call it just a button container. That's that, and then we have the button there. So you get the idea. Let's go ahead and hide that real quick. Okay, I don't know why it's not hiding. It does whatever kind of what it wants. But now you grab all the images and you throw them in here, and then it tries to. Oh wait, we don't need that. It tries to sort them on what it thinks that how it thinks it should be. And then in here you can change some of these settings, right? So I am going to. I don't know 100% what I'm doing, but I'm gonna leave them here. Maybe we can do a 1024 by 1024. I don't know if that's true, but maybe. I don't like the way that is arranging them, but I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Let's see. Let me add some type of padding here. Into the grid multi-pack, and I'll read more about this later. But I know that there is a way that I can have this kind of like fix itself. I mean, it is Unity. I mean, these are fun. Not that I need them, but fun nevertheless. Pixels. I don't know what that is, so Where's that? I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm concerned that this is here, but it's also not letting me move it. Multi-pack? Auto? Unity texture sheet does not support automatic multi-pack. Okay, sure. Let's turn it on. This is... It has to be something in the way that is sorting. So if anyone knows, you know, we have some people viewing. So if you know, please help me out. Because your boy lost. Let's see. Power of 2, forge square, scaling variant, scaling, scale mode, multi-pack, attack identical, pack with same. I just don't know, but I'm going to assume that is correct. I don't like that this is inside of that, to be honest. But I also don't know how to. Wait, what does this do? That's just for viewing. Auto fit is fine, I guess. Let's just do fit. Nah, I don't like that. Let's go back to 100. Let's see. And I wish the buttons were closer. Anyways, let's just do this. How do I think it's publish. We'll say, let's just call it title and see what happens. Data and texture must be located inside of your Unity folder. Wait. Data and texture file. Okay. So it shouldn't be here. That's what you're saying. Okay. So what we're going to do is let's go ahead and jump into here, and we'll go to assets, we'll go to art, and then let's just leave it there. I don't want this folder anymore, so let's delete it real quick. I'm just gonna dump it here. Okay. New folder. Oh, new folder. Yeah, I don't want it a new folder. Oh, jeez. We're gonna go one back. We're gonna go to art, and let's just dump it here. No? Okay. Maybe I do. Maybe I do want a new folder. Can I just do that? And I'm gonna say title. Title was not found. Oh, you fucker! I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I am trying. Wait, why are you saying open? I'm not trying to open. I'm trying to publish the sheet. Let's go to here. Wait, I put them. Wait. I put them here. Okay, this is my TP sheet. This is this. But this is what needs to come with me to Unity. Let's bring it with me to Unity. We'll go to assets. We'll go to art. And we'll put it here. That's how I understand it, that it goes. So we'll do that. We'll come here, and at some point, let's go to art. Oh wait, we shouldn't be running. Get out of here. We'll clear that. Let's see. Why is it not? So frustrating, because even a lot of this I didn't see. And this is the old file. I can't be in the wrong place. This is empty. I'm gonna delete that. And then this is that title. I don't know, maybe I just need to, maybe I bring it in here like this. Which is effectively is the same thing, but I don't know why it's not working. Maybe there's a refresh button somewhere. I have no clue. So let's go ahead and close it. And then we will reopen it. Jeez, download a bunch of stuff. Why is it all the way over here? I'll do some of that later. Put this all the way to the left. Well, man, everything is going to shit right now. Try this again. We'll open the hub. We'll open this. We'll wait. All right. Let's see if this is doing anything. Hopefully we can. Everyone can hear me. Let me make sure. Let me open the broadcast. I see the thing moving, but I mean at this point, who the freak knows? I mean that's working. I don't know if that's working. We would assume that that's working. Let's go bottom left. Okay, so we have this here. Let me make sure that this is not. We'll go ahead and off that there, and let's bring. fucking thing. Just let me listen to the freaking music. Jeez, 17,000 steps just to listen to a song. Jeez Louise. And the crazy thing is, I don't know why. I really don't know why. But there is apparently there is a collection of music called Chill Hub Essentials Fall 2024, which from what from what Twitch is saying is not, there's no problem if I listen to it. So hopefully everyone can hear it. Everyone can hear me. I don't know why it's going on with the computer. Why is it behaving like a maniac? But let's hope that everything is working and that you can hear me. Let's see. If you cannot hear me, let me know in the chat and I'll fix it. But I, as of right now, would assume that you can, and I'm gonna continue on forward because I don't wanna stop here. I'm in a limited time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at this. Let me make this to-do list smaller so you guys can see my inspector here. In the inspector, we have the. I don't know if these are the settings that came with the title, with the TP sheet, which is what Texture Packer gives. I'm gonna check tomorrow with the art team and see. It's a little bit loud. Turn it down a smidge. Okay, let me turn it down. The music or me? The music or me? Probably the music. Probably gotta lower the music a little bit. Music. Yeah, let me see. We'll put it here somewhere. There you go. Maybe there. All right. Anyways, like I was saying, we have the texture sheet. This is the new one. This over here is the old one. We're gonna go ahead and look here, so we can see that it brought all the sprites, and it already sliced them, so that's good. I was concerned with this one here, but I don't think that this one is going to work. Let's go ahead and slice it. How do I slice based on the secondary texture? Slice isometric. The thing is, when I click the deleting existing slide event created all spread. Okay, let's say no, and let's see. Oh, because it already sliced it for you. Oh, that's pretty neat. Okay, sure. I have a prefab that is these buttons here. Let me look into it. I'm gonna delete this for now because that's not what I want. And I don't know why it's not letting me select anything, but that's okay. This is what we're going to do. We're gonna grab the mock that we had on the exports here. Asset, no, it wasn't here. Sorry, it was on downloads, HBQA, and then we have a mock right here. We'll grab that mock and we'll put it in here. And then now we're gonna go ahead and throw that in here. Actually, let's do this. We're gonna go ahead, title page, UI element, and then we'll do image. In the image, we'll open this game asset, and we will call it. I don't know what's all of these, but we'll say select a sprite, and we'll bring the mock. And this should be, yep, this look like the new one. We'll say set native scale, that'll fix that. And that should be the size that the game is going to export at, which from what I understand is 540 by 960. So in Figma, that's the size that I exported it at. Let me look and see what Cassidy said to me here. Let's see. So I asked him the same question about the 540 by 960. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I don't know 100% why is it not letting me click on the element, but okay. Let's go ahead and select these, that's a button in the background. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this image. We'll rename it mock, and then I'm going to lower the opacity of it, so that way I know kind of like where everything is. So you can see here, this is the quote unquote the game, or what the game view should be, and then this is the scene where like I just get to move things around. So like I said, I have this button here, which I should have a folder here called prefab, and in the prefab I have this. Let me look at, oh, this is Cassidy's button. There you go, this is my button. So one thing with this button is that I want to drop in this new art here, right? So the thing is, it's not set up for 9 slice, so I don't know 100% how it does it. Let me see. One thing I gotta figure out is why is it not clicking? Why when I click on the element it doesn't click on the game object? So if you know why, please let me know because I don't, and I'm a little lost. Normally you click on the game object and then that just you're able to select it, but it's fine. Let's go ahead and look at the button, which is 9 slides. We're gonna go ahead and do select sprite, and then we will look at the button, which just say button main, which will be this one. But the thing with this one, like I was saying, is this one is not set up to be 9 slides. So, and I kind of don't 100% know how to do it. So let's find out how to do that. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna go ahead and open the sprite. I know, I remember one of the things was, oh, maybe I can. So I know that I grabbed these little orange thingies and I put that here. So I'm gonna put that right there. So then you should be able to split that. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. So in theory, if I do this correctly, you should be able to slice it like that. Let's take a look. So we got the button. Unapply, import, title. Sure, yeah, let's do that. So then that is slice. Let's go ahead and do that. That's a 100% incorrect. And it's definitely 100% slicing the wrong way. Or, oh, wait. Active? No, I brought in the wrong one. I think the names are wrong. There's no way. That should be default. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Let's go back in here. And maybe because I didn't do a top and bottom, but I don't know. Let's go in here. Let's do this. And let's do this. I don't know. I just don't know if that's the right way, but I guess let's give it a try and see. We'll apply. And we'll go to the button. And we will go ahead and it is slice. see what it does now. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that works. Well, not this way, but definitely this way here. I don't know how big it should be though. I wish it would have told me. I wish it showed me, but it's fine. Let's go ahead and go back one step. Why can I not click on it? Hot dog. Is everything locked? Is anything locked? And maybe that's why? Let me see. No, I can't. I mean, that wouldn't be it because I can still move it. So that cannot be it. Why can I not click on it? I don't fully know. But let me grab this background. Why you look like that? Let's go ahead and let's reset this up. So we're gonna put that in place now. I just need to get this opacity back up so I can see and have an idea of where it goes. I have no clue. Right now, it's kind of there, right? So if you look at what I'm doing is I grabbed the image that I imported and now I'm putting it on top of this image which I had already in my mocks. That's why I did the mock first. So that goes there. Let me make sure. Let me make sure that this is. Yeah. No, that's right. Yeah, there you go. That's right. Okay. Cool. So that goes there. These buttons, I'm not a fan. So let's go ahead and we'll make a new one. A new prefab. So, oh Lord Jesus. I keep doing that. I don't know why I keep messing it up. But I will go ahead and go to UI, Canvas. And then this one was button. Which, let me look if there's any other option. Toggle, slider, scroll bar, scroll view. I'll just do a button, and then I'll grab the spreadsheet here, which is just gonna say button active is what we want to use, and should be able to put this to size with what we have on the back, like that. There you go. Yep, so now that's up to size there. The text looked like hot garbage, but that's okay because we will fix that. We go into that object there and we will make the text white. And I believe this one, it just says start game. For now, we leave it at that font. We are using the font name Stencil, which I don't think I have in Unity. But let's take a look. The font asset right here, I don't have that. So we can bring that, but we can bring that font later though. That wouldn't be a problem. So we got that. Everything is just kind of small though. I don't understand. The title container. This is the title container, which this is my backing. Yeah, see, it's so tiny. And I don't know why, but we will fix it right here. And all I'm trying to do right now is match the mocks. Let me get rid of this box of this, whatever this is. This toggle the visibility of the grid. Sure. Toggle the visibility of whatever. I don't care. What is this? Okay. Alright, so then I have this. There you go. That looks all right. There was a way that if I, what was it? Oh, if I click, there was a way to, I think it's here, right? If I don't click it here, I can view it. Oh, you bitch. You bitch, you bitch, you bitch, you bitch. You fucking bitch. It's not going well, I'll tell you that. It's not going well. How long we been at it? Oh my god, we've been at it for an hour and I haven't done jack squat. So bad. Oh, thank god we had the autosave. And I turned it off. Fuck, I'm so lucky. Hey, maybe now it let me click. No? Oh, fuck you then. Stupid ass. Anyways. Canvas, title, screen, and this one will turn the mock off, so then we can't see it here, but we can still see it in the game, which is perfect. It's kind of what I feel like what we want. So let's see, we have the title container, which holds the backing, which is what we were moving just now. That's good there. The header, which goes here, and we'll make it big. Again, I feel like I already had these changes done, but I don't know why they're not here anymore. That's okay. Quick fix. I'll check this out. We did a little animation in here. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. I mean, I'm not really good at it, but it's just fun. So let's say that right here, it seems like this has to go up a little bit. All right, let's look at that. And you can do it like, you can make it quicker, right? You can say like, if you click play, you highlight it all, you can now just kind of like do it like this. And look at how quick this thing is. You can even do it quicker. Oh my God, he's going crazy. Oh my Lord. And then down right here. That's crazy. But we will change the way that the winds look right now. So it doesn't really matter. Let's put that let's put this at 15. And let's go ahead and copy this. Let's pause this. Let's go to 30. And let's paste these really quick. Why didn't it didn't copy? Who knows? But so essentially it should go, yeah, it's a little bit smoother. And these are not the right wings, you know, like I was saying, these are not the right wings, so it doesn't really matter, but I did that and I'm pretty proud of it. It's not great, you know, I know it's not great. I see great every day at work. And I know that this is not great, but I did it, and I'm very proud of it. So that button goes there. Let's go ahead. We'll call it. We'll say this is the start button. We'll duplicate this, and we'll push it down. That goes there. And then now this one should say, this one is settings. All right, I don't know, something like that. And now we have these two buttons that we have previously, which will be button start and then button setting. These are the prefabs, which we will eliminate. We'll make a new prefab for an empty button. But one thing that I know that Cassidy did was add all of these things. So now I don't quite know. I'm not quite sure how do I go about copying that? Because if I were to say that select graphic and I mean it has the right graphic there, it's not the right size. What happens if I, oh shit, hold on, what happens if I resize it? Oh, where's my diamond? Oh, it's there. Okay, here we go. Oh my lord, why you look like that? Wait, I don't know, hold on. Hey, that doesn't look bad though. Let me grab this, and let me grab this, and let me push this there. Let me hide these two buttons really quick so I can see what I'm working with back here. That little pointy thing doesn't look bad though. In my humble opinion, of course, you know. It should be like that, and then this should be bigger. But why is the diamond like that? Right, because if you make it bigger, then it does that. And the main reason I don't want to change this is because this button already have all this functionality, and I don't know how to do it. Maybe it's easy. I don't know 100%. I need to learn how to do that, but I don't. Maybe I should learn how to do that. All right. Let's look at this prefab one more time. So this prefab have this button. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna delete that, and we're gonna delete that, and we're gonna delete that. All right, so it's just one button that is 9 slides. I don't know the original size. The original size of the button should be 385 by 85, but that's in Figma with 335. I got 385 here, so let's do 385. And then the height, I have 85, so we'll do that. We'll do that here as well. We'll save that. We'll go one step back and then see what does it do there. Why does it do that? Did I not select a button? Well, it has this. I don't know. I can't reset it. And if I copy the, can I copy these? No? Okay. I was gonna say if I copy the component. Oh wait, but there's this. Hold on, let me look at this then. So one thing that Cassidy put in here, which I might be able to copy, right? If I put these, hey, whoa, what's going on here? Look at all these. Oh my lord, I don't know what's going on. I don't know 100% what's going on, so I'm just gonna do that. But I do see here, maybe I take that off. I do see here that there is a game manager, that close start menu, so I should be able to put that in here. So we'll do that. We'll do this, and then we'll do what? Hold on. Main. What is it? Main something. What is it? Main camera. Okay, sure. I'll dump that in there. Main camera. And then there was a game manager. Ah, okay. Let's see what we got here. And there was something about close start page. So let's bring this button back up. Let's go ahead and take out the mock. We'll go ahead and take that out. And let's push this button down here. Okay. So when we hit play, when we hit play, what should happen is if I hit this This button, yep, that works. Fuck, how do I reset? Here, maybe? Let me see, what does this one do? That's history, not what I want. Thank you very much. We'll pause it and then we'll play it again. Okay, so now if I hit mine, hey, it does the same thing, so okay. So it wasn't, so, oh, it's not like, okay, so it's not like in Figma where you just throw lines for prototyping. Okay. So the way that it kind of works is, if I understand this correctly, then it's layers upon layers. Is that what's going on here? Let me look. Let me look. How do I flip a Rooney? Man, I'm just gonna do this real quick. Okay, that's not it. So what I thought is like, well, maybe it still is the case that Cassidy put a bunch of layers on top of each other, and then when you're like clicking the button, what it does is it hides that. So then you just go one nest down. I mean, I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. But what I do know is that we can delete this button now, and we also can delete this second button. And I'm actually going to delete both of this prefab. And I'm actually going to now create a new prefab. We're going to put that, no, sorry, this one. There you go. And then we'll just say button, button main, or the main button, or whatever that, I don't know how that works here. But now we can put this right there. Oh, it doesn't let me do arrows. Oh, that's silly. Okay. And then we will duplicate this, and then we'll come down here, and where's my text? Oh, my text is a child element of it. Boing, boing. And this one is settings. There you go. All right, so now we have the two buttons in here. I think my overlay is still a little bit light, but hey, that's okay. Let's go ahead and bring the decoration. So if I go back to the art and I go to the to this one, and in fact I'm gonna actually delete, I'm not gonna delete it because I want to keep it, but I am gonna move it later from this folder so I can keep this clean. So what is, oh, this is the old version. Can I view it? Yeah, so this is just a regular version that I did earlier. So it went from this to this essentially, which I don't know, it just feels a little bit more magical in my opinion. We can make it small, and then we can make this small here. Yeah, so this here is the original version I did, and then this here is the new version. It's fine. They're both good, but I'd like the new version more. So we'll grab these, and in here, oh, it does bring the names also that I gave it. Did that? Okay. So we got all of these. Well, the thing is, when I delete the spreadsheet, these assets are not going to have a reference, so I might not be able to delete them. Or if I do delete them, I have to relink the. Oh, let me see. Cassidy is in the let's see. Just drop in. I think if you turn cheats on, main camera's cheat, you can reload with R. That's good to know. You saw me struggling. Oh, all right. Let me do that. Just in case. Enable cheats. Boom. All right. So now you're saying that if you can re-import the asset. Okay. So now I will go here and then I click R. Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. And then the other thing, if you right click the asset, you can re-import the asset. Yeah, but so let's try this. I'm gonna delete this UI, which is what everything is mapped on. So everything will break, and we understand that. So now you're saying if I, let me see, I need the background. It's on a separate thing, so we don't need that. So like the backing, you say right click, and then here, it should have something to, well, let's just, that's okay. Let's just, we have this. Let's call it, no, do we not have this? Well, hold on. Yeah, we have this. Oh, it's right here. It's called container one. Boing. Is that the right size? Oh my lord, I messed everything up. What am I doing? Oh no. No! Why? Yeah. It's okay, Cassidy. It was bound to happen anyways, because I needed to delete that sheet anyways. So it was either now or it was in later. Why does it keep crashing on me? I have a good computer, I swear. Okay. Well, Cassidy, since you're here, and I don't know if you know the answer to this, but do you happen to see anything on my screen that would prevent me from clicking and selecting the game object? Because I can't. It's not working for me, and I don't know what I'm doing. I want to be able to click on the asset and then move it. So if you're still here, and you know the answer, please help me out. So, but if you don't, that's also okay. I'll find out at some point, I promise. What does this little eye do? Oh, I don't know. Okay, I don't know what it did, but okay, we'll find out. Let's link these things real quick. We'll bring this in here, and then, oh man, what the heck? What the freak is going on? Oh, hey, Katie. What's up? No, I was saying, I used to be able, so like here in the scene, I used to be able to click on the game object and then select the game object, but for some reason, it doesn't let me. So I just can't select it, and it's starting to bug me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So if you see anything on my screen that would prevent me from clicking and selecting the game object, please let me know so I can fix it, because I don't know. I don't know how to. I gotta kind of like find it in the tree, which is fine. You know, at the end of the day, it still works, but. And I think I also messed up my import here. So I was using, which is another thing I don't know if you do know. Sorry, I know I'm full of questions today. But I was using Texture Packer to bring the textures in, but I don't know how to move them or how to like organize them, because I used to know that there is a way that you can move them, right, and then kind of like make them fit, but somehow I don't know how to do it. So anyways, that's where I'm at right now. Oh, maybe it's something in Sprite. No, let me see. Center, enable pivot, Sprite specific scaling, enable 9-patch scaling. Oh, maybe that's what I need for the buttons. Is that maybe? Let me fix this. How do I zoom in? Here we go. We got that, and we put this here, and we put this here, And now back to the sheet. Hey, that's pretty cool. Let's do the same thing here. 9%. We'll put this here. Did the event system get deleted in the scene? Did the event system? Let me check. I don't think so though. I didn't delete anything, just so we're clear. But let me take a look. We'll save that. Hold on. The, what do you call it? Event system. Event. Right here. I see it right here. Wait. Get out of here. Let's not save that. I see the event system here. Unless we're talking about a different one. I do see one right here. Maybe I just 9-slice these two. Oh, wait, how do I do that? Decoration. It's bright. This one. And that's 9-sliceable, and then this is 9-sliceable. Everything else kind of doesn't really matter, so I'm just gonna put that there, and then I'm gonna put that there. Did the event system get deleted? I'm looking. Cassidy, no rush. I know it's 10:16 on a, I don't know what day today, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let me look. Today is Tuesday. So if you got better things to do, please don't worry. I mean, I appreciate you helping me in the first place, but we could tackle this at any other point. But if you have the time, every help is welcome. Any help is welcome. All right, so let's see how we do this one. I don't 100% know how to do this one, right? Because, well, hold on. So I'm slicing. I want to stretch this, that part. This part, well, I guess this part does get sliced. So maybe like that. Can you go back to the scene? Yes. Sorry, I'm more than happy to do that. So we are in the scene. If you need me to zoom in, you let me know here. I can do one of these if you want me to. I don't know if you want to see anything in here or somewhere in a different place, but yeah. Oh, I think the YouTube scene view top right button has a circle. Click that. Scene view top right. Oh, this one here? Wait, no. Top right. This one? Wait. Looks like a gizmo button, but what's toggle off? This one? Hey, that's the one. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. That was driving me crazy. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Let's see what we got going on. We've been at it for an hour 25 and we got the buttons. I'm so slow. We'll get there. We will get there. Man, looking at that YouTube thing, I don't know if it's my video or whatnot, but that thing is going slow as heck. Oh, no. It was just my video. Never mind. It doesn't seem that delay. Okay. I was like, how can you see me? That thing is delayed as hell. Let's go ahead. Thank you so much, Cassidy. I really appreciate you. Let's continue on. Oh my Lord, I forgot I broke all of this. Oh yeah, because yeah. So But the thing is, like, when I look at this, and see, look, when I look at this image, which is the container 1, which I put in the title backing, it doesn't have the letters. So if you look here on the right side, it has those letters, but the why? Let's try it again. What if I put it like this and then I switch it back? No, that didn't work. I couldn't trick it. Okay. Why would that be the case? I don't know. The thing is confusing me because if we look at the sprite editor, we can see that it's clearly overlapping, and it makes sense that it shows like that. But then when we're looking at the sprite, it doesn't show it to me, so I'm a little bit confused. What is this? Oh, get out of here. Let's go back to texture packer, and the thing is, how do I make it not? Oh, what is this? Align to grid? No, I don't know. No, that's not it. Multi-pack? No, it says that the tag identical. Oh, you can't. Let me move this a little bit because you can't see because I'm blocking it with my big old head. How and why? How do I move thing? Prepend folder name. Scaling. Algorithm. Alright, let's change the algorithm. See what happens. Algorithm basic. What do you do? You don't do nothing. Grid. Oh my lord, what am I doing? What is you doing, baby? Max rack. What is that? Oh, actually, this one might be the best one, I think. Well, let's say that it is. Let's publish it, and let's go back to here. Does that change it? Does that change it here now? Let me look. No. Do I have to re-import it maybe? Let's see. If I do import, export, file, re-import. Oh, refresh? No, I don't think so. Where the heck is that? Editor to these. Okay. Oh wait, no compression, buddy. Let's see. Sprite editor. Oh, wait. I think. Yeah, so that's the. Oh, so it's. Yeah. I'm in the wrong spot, boy. Let's bring this in here, like so. Oh, wait, yeah, I'm on the wrong spot. Oh Lord, I broke it. Hot dog, man. I be breaking stuff. Hey, you, stop it. What about now? Maybe now everything is working. Now everything is working. Jeez, why don't our computer having so many issues? Like, well, it can be the. I know I'm running low. No, that's fine. I mean, I have so much other space. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Well, let's try this again. And okay, let's go back here. Let's go to prefabs button, and let's re-import this button. We're gonna go ahead and select that and select that. No, why you do that? No. Why? Sluts. Oh, well, I don't know why, but there you go. But now I don't know how freaking big the thing is. Let's assume that it's this big. And we got the button. Oh yeah. Okay, sure, that works. Make sure we save it before this freaking thing crashes again. I need to look at, no, that's not what I want. Yeah. Why are you CPU at 69%? That's not true. CPU at 32%. Why are you crashing? I don't know exactly why. I mean, it's not memory. We have plenty of available. It's not CPU. Why is the for the noise reduction stuff and the tracking thing? I mean, I guess it is a little bit nice, but that's a lot of GPU. I mean, it's a 3090 Ti, which I get it. It's not the newest car, but you can take notes of how big the asset is, then go into the preset and make sure you tweak it. You'll have a better idea how big or small you're making it. Yeah, you know what I was thinking, Cassidy? I was like, it's like in Figma, but and I get it. Unity is not Figma, but it's kind of the same principle as like a component in the prefab is kind of like a component in Figma. But in Figma, if I were to change the size of that component, it changes the size in the view. Why can't it be like that? I'm just saying. Yeah, and you know, if I go to Figma, this is a I know I'm going too deep in this argument, but I'm just saying, go into Figma, computer. Jeez. Nothing is working. Nothing is ever working. What's the point in having a good computer if nothing is working? I don't know. Move me to the bottom right, please. Thank you. No? Okay, I'll move myself. So, all right. So here we come here, right? So this is the component. Another option: make your tweaks in scene. Take notes. Take notes of your metric or copy it. Then go into prefab. Yeah. I mean, that's kind of the way that I have to do it. But I was just saying, like in Figma, this is the component. This is the button that is derived from that component. You can see if I change it, it changes it. It changes it everywhere that uses that asset or that component itself, right? Which every button is derived from it, because when I was doing the prototype, I wanted every button to kind of have like the same thing. But I thought that Unity was like that, which, you know, now I find out that it's not, which is fine. I will make it work. But I was just saying, it would have been nice. It would have been nice. But we have the button. I'm pretty happy with that. That checks out in Figma, but if you're tweaking a prefab in a scene, Unity is thinking you use one to edit it that one instance. Yeah. Makes me sad. It makes me real sad. It makes sense, but it makes me sad. But going back to this real quick. This is what? First of all, let me turn up the mock from here. All right, what do we got here? I bet I got so many things in here. This is the title backing, which I thought I imported, but maybe I didn't. We'll bring that in here like so. Thank you very much. And we will title header. We'll bring that in. Golden. Oh, this one has multiple parts. So we have the wings. There's a wing right there. Let me expand this a little bit. Oh, the ball. Let's put the ball. Well, I can see the name here in the corner too. I don't know, I'm tripping. I'm using the same wing for both. Am I? Am I not? Let me look and see how this works. Okay, maybe I'm not. Maybe. Oh no, what am I doing? No, my wing. I guess. Well, I guess we can test. I guess the main thing about Texture Packer, where it should let me click on the wing. I'm gonna export the wing from Figma, and I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna call it left wing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab left wing from. Huh? Oh wait. No, I need to add a sprite, and then I got the left wing here. So now I should dump it in here. Oh, but that changed my. Well, maybe that doesn't matter. Let's see. What is it? If I go to development, Quidditch Manager, asset art, and then I can save it here. I'm gonna save it as title, which should already exist. Oh, you're not gonna tell me that. Oh wait, no, that's wrong. Get out of here. You're getting deleted. Publish. No, it's publishing to the wrong place. Stupido. No, I need. This is not gonna work. I need to find a way. That it will publish to the right place. See Adrian. No. You need to go to Quidditch Manager, Asset Art, and then replace that. Yeah, replace it. And now I publish. And I think now it's published to the right place. Yeah. Now it did publish to the right place. So now in theory I should be able to put the texture, what do you call them? The freaking I should be able to put in here the sprites, and then it will sort it out, and then I can just click publish, and then that publish goes into the sheet here, and then that would update it, or should at least update it from there. So hopefully, I think that's how it works. I wish I asked people at work, but hey, it's okay. Oh my lord, that wing. Maybe that's the right size. I don't know. Let me click play and see what it does. That looks right, I think. Let's go like maybe a little bit smaller. But that's fine because I'm gonna change them anyways, so it doesn't really matter. I want to put like some better ones because those the ones I didn't do a good job. I'll put a better one later, I promise. But we got that. I gotta balance things for let me chill with you. Good luck. Don't forget to commit it when you're done. I won't, Cassidy. Have a good night. Thank you for stopping by. There we go. We're doing stuff. We're doing stuff. Oh man, you know what I need to bring, which I don't even, let me, if I do, I will probably, what if I copy this and then I just dump this and then I do, what am I doing? Oh, I did take out the full size. So I did split it the right way. Hey, sometimes I'd be thinking. Sometimes I'd be thinking. Not all the time, but sometimes for sure. Oh yeah, man. Sometimes I do be thinking. I surprise myself sometimes. Where are you going? Right here? Boom. And then to make the other side, I would have, I can just flip it, no? I'll do this, and then there has to, why? Why? Does it even tell me what the problem is? How often does this happen? Like, a lot more than what I want to. The freak? What happened? I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it. Let's say I was moving a asset and the engine crashed. I don't know. Crashed. How can we reproduce it? Using the example you attach. I don't know. I am not quite sure. Let me move this over here real quick. What else? What else do we need? Send. You must provide a title. A title. Oh, right here. Crashing when moving assets. There you go. I guess now we submit. Do you really want your? I guess it's packing the whatever and sending the whatever else. It should be illegal to crash this much. And it can. I mean, 81% CPU. I mean, Task Manager is fucking. What are you doing, Task Manager? Why are you going crazy on me? Yeah, that makes sense. Why is it? I mean, what else? I have Figma. I need Figma. This is music. This is GitHub. I kind of don't really need GitHub right now. I mean, I'll delete it, but I have 128 gigabytes of RAM. What are we talking about here? I have an i9 CPU. Like, what do you mean? Like, insanity. I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. I mean, so right now this is the game. 33%, 33%. I'm not doing nothing. I'm moving an asset. I don't want to move it now, but no, I'm angry now. Stupid freaking Unity. Ruining my day. Put that in there, freaking butt. Anyways, you're not gonna get me, Unity. You're not gonna get me. I'm just gonna go like that, and then I'm gonna go like here in the middle. I'm gonna save you. Now I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna move you. And how do I flip a Rooney you? How do I flip it? Not position, not width, maybe there's no easy way to flip it? Flip, 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 flip. Well, I can probably just do this, right? No, what happened? Oh no, it breaks. What the freak? Well, why doesn't it have a flip? The heck? I don't know. Unity, you dirty dog. Makes me so sad. Okay. Well, I got a couple corners. You know what I mean? It's not that bad. I will bring this here. Boing. And like, I don't know. What is going on? Decoration. Flip, flop, flippity. Oh, I see. Add it over here. No, I want the regular size. Here we go. We're getting there. Why doesn't it have the set to native? I think it's because I gotta do simple. Set to native. Slice. And now I can put it where it belongs. Oh my god, it didn't let me move it with the arrow. Okay, and now I should be able to... Oh no, did I cut that wrong? Maybe I sliced it wrong. Because if I go here, and maybe let's go down. Oh yeah, that's definitely wrong. Well, at least, I'm learning, so that's fine. But then again, why are you not slicing the right way? Maybe like here? I don't know. Maybe here? What does this one do? Let's just do that. Let's do publish. Let's do this. And refreshing. I swear to God, if it crashes one more time, I'm leaving. I am leaving. Let's go back to simple, set native, slice. And now we put that there, and we put that there. No, still wrong. Why are you slicing it like that? Alpha regenerated meter map climbed by linear. No clue, but let's look at this. Well, I got my slices. That's pretty good. And I'm definitely slicing that wrong, but that's okay. At least I know I have a little bit of an idea. And maybe I have to make a separate spreadsheet for those because they're so big. I don't think they'll fit in. I don't think they'll fit in here. Like if I were to make them like the full size, I don't think they'll fit. I can make a bigger sprite sheet, but I don't know. I don't think it's really needed right now. Let me try. I hate doing this, but I'm gonna try to bring the full decoration here. I'm gonna say add sprite sheet, and then in downloads HPQA I have a decoration tab 1. See, but why? And then okay, that's fine. Let me just delete these two. Okay, decoration tab 1 is there. And you know what? Maybe if we go over here to Figma, why is the freaking the Steam Deck is not working? The Stream Deck, nothing is working today. Nothing. Everything is just I don't want to work. It's just saying waiting on OBS. Why? Who knows? I don't even know. Just gonna move it here. Anyways, what I was saying with this particular asset here is that what I could do is I can convert this into a frame, and then in that frame I'm gonna it was out. The frick are you doing? Didn't I convert you into a frame, sir? Let's ungroup this. We got the frame. I'm gonna move right here. Well, I'm gonna just move it right here, and I'm gonna clip that. So now it's like pretty small, and it goes in the same place, and it functions in the same way. But now when I go and export it, it's gonna export the right way, or not the right way, but just the usable part essentially. I don't know what it does. The Stream Deck is not working. Well, let's go ahead and close that, because you want to misbehave, then we're gonna close it, and then we're gonna reopen it again because I need it. All right, now let's see if this freaking thing. Okay, now it's working. Let's see. We need to add this. Man, this spreadsheet is so bad. I need to add some padding to the shape, because oh man, but it's I export. Hold on, I exported wrong. Because I didn't. If you look at the export, I missed this little thingies here, the diamond ends. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab it again, decoration side, which should update it here ideally, hopefully. Yep, yeah buddy. Let's lower this like so. I got a little 1 there. Pack with same layout. What does that mean? Sprite images and their corresponding normal maps are packed on separate sprite sheets using the same layout. That doesn't mean jack shit to me, but okay. We're gonna go ahead and publish this, and let's see if that changes anything on the. I didn't change anything here, so that's good. No, still good. I don't know what this thing at the top is. Here, what are you? Come here. What is it? Mach 1. I don't know what you are. You're getting deleted. All right, and let's go ahead and let's try this again. Slice, set native. Now we slice it, though we don't necessarily need to have it slice anymore because it's to size. But that's fine. We'll leave it sliced. What if I go like this? No, because it's sliced. I don't know. Because if I have it on simple and I do set native, can I flip it? Oh, I can flip it like this. Wait, what is that? Negative? Oh my god, I can flip it. All right, I guess that works. That works for me. Wait, what happened? Oh, right here. Okay. Let me zoom in a little bit. So I just put a negative in the skill X and then it flipped it. That's pretty good. Oh, that's what that was. Freak. I needed that. This one is in the bottom right. Yeah. Okay, let me do this. We're gonna say decoration side left, and then we'll have the same one for the right. Decoration side right, and then we'll have nope, that was the wrong shit. That was the wrong one. Okay, that's fine. We'll say decoration side right, and now this one here, that's the right one. This one here, we'll say bottom, because bottom, if I don't know if you guys catch this, but boom, it's already. And now we don't need to. We can just simple. And then we can just dump it now in here, because when we exported the whole thing. So, and I want to be, you know, very upfront and saying I don't know jack squat about the fully about the texture packer. I would encourage everyone to do their own research. Oh my god, we've been here. Let me look at our to-do. An hour 58 minutes. Which I get it. Oh my god, I'm seeing my wife is texting me now. It's time for the bed. Yeah, hold on. Just going to bed. I gotta go. Let me finish this really quick. At least I just want to have at least bottom side, at least the oh, you bitch, what's going on? Oh no, that's not the right one. Bottom, and then we'll say that this is the top, and then we'll put this at the top like so. Oh no, hold on. And we'll do like that, and then I guess the same principle should work on the Y if I do that. Hey, look at that. That's pretty cool. All right, well, we got that. So the only thing that we're missing is the monk. We don't need anymore, but we do need. What is this one? Why is it showing? Oh, let's delete it. So that's a start, and this is settings. All right. And let me see. Oh, the indie. What is this? Mock? Oh yeah, leave it. Man, I'm going crazy. Overlay, decorations. I need the title container. I need the one that's right here. This one. All right, and I'll dump that in. Oh my god, why are you so tiny? All right, let's make this fit there. So now when I turn off mock, not perfect. I mean, I'm missing my overlay is 100% wrong. But I don't. This is the color of my overlay. Oh yeah. That's 100% wrong. 100% wrong. Oh my lord. What? I have that at 100. No, this is at 100, but then it has a texture style. We'll put it like at whatever this number is here. Right, because oh, you stinky. That's that image. What image? Who knows? That's the fog. More fog. transition. Okay. Well, I mean, it's close. I think once I put at the bottom here. Oh, I'm in the wrong screen, my boy. At the bottom here, there's like some shade, and we can do that. I'm gonna do it super dirty, real quick, and I'm going to group both of those and export it out into in here to testing shade. And I'm not gonna bring it into this package because I don't want to right now, and I don't think one is needed, but two, it fits on the sheet itself. So I'm gonna have to do something with the sheet, but we have this. I just wanted to illustrate this. So now if I am here, I'm gonna copy decoration really quick, and I'm gonna say testing shade. I definitely misspelled that. There you go. And then I'm gonna give it this asset and then set native, and now I should be able to throw that in there like so. Maybe at the top of that. Yeah. Now that looks a lot closer, but yeah, that looks a lot closer than what I have. It's still a little bit light, if I'm being honest. I wonder what this little eye mean, but we'll find out later. So we got this overlay. I feel like my color is still, I need to go maybe like, I'm not the best at color. I am colorblind. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it here like this, and I'm gonna have Cassidy test out the color and maybe make the adjustments so that they are similar to the other color. But let me go ahead and fix some things here real quick. There you go. So once I export, you guys can see, well, I don't have to export anything, but if I go to right here and this is the mock that we did on Figma. Right? And then this is the result that we have in it in the engine right now. So you can tell, right, that the colors is wrong. I just don't know how to fix it because it's, I mean, maybe doing it like that, or maybe it's my, yeah, I don't know 100%. I do know maybe like here, because I took the hexadecimal code, which is kind of how I work with color, you know, given my thing. What I do is I kind of get like an idea of the color, if we have a style guide, which is even better. I kind of just get the hexadecimal code, and then I just put that in, and then I don't have to really worry about does the color match or it doesn't match, because I'm just using whatever the hex code is. But in this particular instance, we don't have the hex code, or I mean, it doesn't exist. So one thing that also like the Unity doesn't have is arrow adjustments. I mean, I get it. It's not a design software, but freak. Just let me use the thing. But anyways, this is how it should look. Let's go here, right? You see it? Pretty good, pretty beautiful. And then this is how it looks. And I'll say it's pretty close. Maybe some small adjustments, but I wouldn't say anything major. So I mean, title here. I'm gonna bring back up title. Yeah, you can see like maybe there's some like things that are maybe a little bit bigger. Now that I think about it, let me bring this in here real quick. So this header, which is this one, might be a little bit too squish. Yeah, hold on. Right, kind of like right there, kinda. It's not perfect. You know, at work, I keep fighting with. I'm not fighting, but telling engineers that they should match the mock that is provided by art. But it is hard in Unity. I do have to apologize to them because it's definitely harder than I expected. Because in Figma, you just arrow around and then you call it a day, but I don't know, maybe there's too much space here. Maybe this could be bigger. I don't know. But this is the design that we have for now. That's the design that we're gonna go with. We're missing the particle effect that is gonna make everything just kind of like tied together. Right now it's not perfect, but oh, hold on. I know what it is. Let me go ahead and take the mock off. We need to make the golden snitch a little bit bigger because, you know, it wasn't really working. I tried to leave it small, but it didn't work. It did not work. Let's see now. Boing. There you go. That's fine. That's better. Let's save that and let's run it again. Yeah, that's fine. It's not perfect, but it'll do. And now can I click? Nope. Oh man, my wife is gonna kill me if I don't hurry up to the room. Let me try this before. Button management camera. Yeah, why are you not working? Let me click on visualize. I don't know. Why are you not working? Let me try to do play focus. Yeah, I don't know. Why is it not working? That is gonna have to be a tomorrow's problem. So yeah, for now, let's just call it here. Let's say that it's done for today. Looking at our to-do list here, we can see that a total of 2 hours and 10 minutes was spent as of today working on this. We have a couple more days to work on it. So we're gonna go ahead and pause the timer. We'll call it a day for today. Thank you everyone that stopped by and say thank you. Thank you Cassidy for helping me out there. Really lifesaver. And hope to see everyone next time. And thank you so much. Bye.